this Marshawn Lynch or is Marshawn Lynch someone else? Why do we keep going to evac? Vote. Everyone vote random. Everyone vote random. I totally forgot there's a voting system in this. I know. I think I've played the same map like 30 bajillion times. How do I make this guy talk? I want to hear his voice. Alright, we're going to win this one. We're playing against Nibs. We're playing against Nibs, guys. Playing against Nibs. Alright, bro. Are you guys ready? Look, two crisis guys on the other team. One Asian chick, one guy that looks like the guy from Call of Duty Black Ops. 4 Marshans? Holy shit. I was beasting out with the shotgun in this map, so I'm gonna try it out again.
Prophet ready to move out.
Roger, Prophet. I gotcha.
Match begins in 3, 2, 1. Come on, man.
Secure the objectives.
Hooah! Hooah! Alright, so let's all go to B. Let's all go to B.
Charlie secure.
I was beasting out with the shotgun, dude. I went 30 kills plus. I guess they're not coming? Oh shit, what the fuck did you get killed by? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Go in there, Shadow.
Enemy has Bravo.
Got it. Alright. B, help me at B.
Securing B.
There's a guy on top of us. Did you get him?
Hostile UAV incoming.
Yeah, I got him. Remind me not to aim when I'm using a shotgun because it's retarded to aim.
Bravo locked down.
UAV on standby.
Oh, wow. Sorry, that was the worst shotgun fell ever.
Losing C.
Yeah.
Hostile
UAV. Remember if you remember Spaz? Remember that secondary? Remember that secondary? Remember those good old days with Spaz?
Losing C.
Why are we losing C?
We lost Charlie.
EKIA.
A locked down. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. All locations secure. Maintain current posture.
Yeah, son. Wait, so this follows you? That's pretty legit. You didn't even have to control it.
Losing A.
Energy surplus available.
Oh yeah. Alright, so how do I use this little shotgun?
Alpha.
How do you?
Friendly UAV inbound.
Beacon rifle?
Hostile UAV.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I understood it.
Losing Charlie.
Capture your objective.
We lost C. Securing A.
Where these motherfuckers at?
UAV energy level at 50%.
Ah, damn! My little robot just barely got it. Oh, my little. Is that my ship or someone else?
Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
I think that's still mine. Where's this mother F at?
Securing Charlie.
Wait, you guys gonna help me with C or what?
All locations secured. Maintain current course.
Ah, damn it! Get him, he's laying down.
Enemy has B.
Damn it, how'd you guys die?
Losing Charlie. Hostile UAV spotted. Hostile raising your AO.
Ah, damn it. Fucking dick.
We lost C.
Dude, Devin, really? Really? You really? You freaking really? Oh my. My freaking. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh look! Yes, I ran forward and he's running the same spot where I am. I'm like, damn it. I dick slapped him though. I dick slapped him and he hella fell off.
Securing Bravo.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh. This map is fucking awesome for sure. What's up, bitch?
Reaper neutralized.
UAV inbound.
Oh, damn it. I kind of got a little freaked out.
Securing Charlie.
Kill.
Really? Ah, damn it.
Losing
17
Alpha.
7. Okay, we're losing Alpha. What the fuck?
Hostile UAV spotted.
Ruin down.
No.
Hostile HCXD in your AO.
Dude, Devin said he wants to visit Chirac one day. That's his fair. What the fuck? Hey, look,
Bravo secure.
He's dead.
Friendly UAV inbound.
damn it. Douchebag. Why is this guy camping? Hey, be careful. There's gonna be a guy right there.
Hostile UAV
I don't know if you
incoming.
guys got him.
Losing A.
You got him? Yeah, 20 and 8, son.
Maintain
Get
your
off my
momentum in the next
DZ.
round.
Get off my DZ, son. Get off my daisy, son. Dude, you didn't get. Dude, Devin, dude, why you so good, dude? Holy damn. Devin based ya. What's up, bruh?
Halftime.
That was gonna be on me. Dude, Legendary got mad when they said that's not his kill cam. Holy damn, relax, dude. It's just the kill cam.
Capture the objective.
He's like, it's not even your kill.
Enemy has Charlie. Securing A. A locked down.
Hey, relax, guy. We can't lose the team now, dude. We can't lose the team now for. Wow, I thought that guy was part of the wall.
Friendly UAV
I need to get my
inbound.
glasses checked.
Hostile UAV
Shit.
spotted.
Oh shit, dude, you saw that shit? That's my kill, son. No one
Hostile
was there.
Hellstorm overhead. Securing B.
He plays the one that likes to get D.
B secure.
He likes the one that likes the D. He likes the one that starts with a D. Hell yeah, that fool's a beast.
Losing B.
Now Spaghetti was a center, but then he got crushed by a guy like 20 times bigger than him.
Hostile Hellstorm.
And I was like, I feel bad for this guy.
Enemy Bravo.
He got dude, that guy did not belong in JV.
Hostile UAV
Holy shit, the whole team died.
Multiple
That
hostile
guy did not
UAV
belong in
spotted.
JV, dude. That guy was like 50,000 times taller than me, and he was playing JV. I'm like, what the fuck?
Securing Bravo.
I'm like, I think they have you in the wrong. wrong team,
Hostile
son.
Hellstorm inbound.
Yeah, he had a full-blown beating. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my groove. Hell yeah. And he's like, and he said he's all like, I'm 12, but he has like 3
Nice
kids.
kill.
Wow. Yeah, exactly. That's where I got it from.
Inbound.
Yeah, he's like,
Hostile UAV
I'm 12. It's like, really? He's like, yeah, look at my ID. I'm like, okay. Yeah. He's like, Papa.
Securing B.
He. Oh.
B locked down. Hostile Hellstorm inbound. Losing B.
Oh, look at this.
He's dead.
Lost B.
Tango down.
Securing B.
I got beat. Hey, protect me.
Sensors on capture your
Protect me, Devin. Protect me. Oh, I
UAV
smacked him.
above.
I don't know how I do
Hellstorm on
that.
standby.
I don't even
Bravo
tap there.
locked down.
Hostiles have destroyed your UAV.
Losing A.
Damn it, I didn't know if I was able to get that bullshit down.
Losing A.
I know. I didn't know. I should have shot the rockets towards it.
We lost A.
Oh, we lost A. Okay, that douchebag was still there. And I couldn't shoot his partner behind him. Where is he,
Losing
Mark?
C.
Frag! Move, move!
Oh shit, I have a freaking shotgun. I'm so retarded.
Enemy has C.
Once again, can I still get... Can I get a...
Securing C.
Oh, I just concussioned myself.
Charlie secure.
Go get in there, Titus. Get in there.
Hostile UAV
Oh, I
incoming.
got concussioned.
Losing Charlie.
Dude, look at that fool. Be on the ground and shit. Oh yeah, everyone just walk together so they can get like triple kills.
Losing B.
Frag!
Ow. My talent is not doing anything though. Oh, I think we're losing B, guys.
Lost B. Securing B. Hostile UAV
That was
above.
not me, my dog. That was not me, dog.
Friendly UAV inbound. B locked down. Hostile
I think that was me, dog.
overhead.
EKIA.
Man of War. I'm gonna try to use, I'm gonna pick his Man of War up. See how he shoots. This gun shoots funny. Come on, where are these fools at? Where are these fools at? Dude, the first disc to Hobson and Funk Volume was pretty good, but the second one was kind of gay. The second one was
Losing Bravo.
yeah, the same day. That one wasn't as good as the first one. The first disc was like, damn, that is sick.
Hostile UAV above.
Yeah. Yeah, Dizzy Ray went hard. Holy shit.
Securing Alpha.
Holy damn. I thought that fool was about getting high and shit, but damn, he actually put a good flow. Oh, okay.
Losing C.
Yeah, 31 and 18. What's up, my nigga? 6 and 22.
The CDP stands strong.
Damn, dude, we're stomping. We're becoming a real team. We're a real team, guys. Look at that, Marshawn Lynch twice. Oh shit, dude. And then we got that girl from hey, you know who that girl with the hood looks like, Quan? The girl from Dragon Age.